Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the power cord in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new power cord. The power cord is located at the back of the refrigerator. It connects the refrigerator's controls to the outside power source. If nothing works in your fridge, including lights, check the power cord for continuity and replace it if it fails the test. Alright, now we're at the back of the fridge and we need to remove this cover panel in order to get to the power cord. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take a few Phillips screws. And now I'm going to pull over this cover. We need to remove one more Phillips screw to free this ground wire. I'm going to free the wire. And now we need to disconnect this plug. I'm going to press down on the tab, pull it apart. This is the old power cord next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so now we have here a new power cord. I'm going to start with plugging it in here. Make sure it clicks. And I'm going to bring this up. Install this right in there. Now we're going to attach the ground wire. Using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to place it in. Okay, so now we're going to install the cover panel. We have two tabs here, and we have a cutout here and a cutout there. So we're going to put two and two together. So those are 4 screws that securing that cover panel. The 2 larger one goes on the top. The one shorter sheet metal goes on the left, and this machine screw goes on the right at the bottom. So let's start installing those screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.